In this video, we are going to be analysing Pintrest ticker pins. So to get straight into it, what are going to be those key levels that we're focusing on? And one thing I'm seeing on this stock is it's really not a nice chart to be trading. If you're trading strictly off technicals, this stock is probably not going to be the best one to trade. You can see kind of just how, it's respecting these levels, but the way it moves, if you get caught in one of these moves overnight, unless you're day trading, you can get really messed up. So do be watching out for this kind of stock because it does seem quite dangerous to be trading, especially if you're either using leverage or just a large size. Definitely be watching out for pins. I mean, you can see it as soon as you open the chart, looks like a tricky one to trade. But if you want to pay attention to the levels, what are we paying attention to? $24 is our closest resistance. Breaking through there is $26.50. Breaking further would be $28. And really final levels to be paying attention would be around $31 to $32. So these would be our key resistances. What are going to be key supports? That's going to be $19.20. Going further would be $16.75. Going down to around $14.50. So these would really be the key levels that we're paying attention to. But again, this is going to be a tricky stock to trade, and it seems like it moves a lot more on news. So it seems to be a lot more of an earnings play. I believe they actually have their earnings tonight or pre-market tomorrow. So if it's something you're looking to trade maybe after earnings, look how it's performed before because it may give you some insight. It does seem like a tricky stock to trade, but it seems to trade in quite big swings. So if you can catch these swings early, there's definitely some opportunity to be made. But definitely be paying attention to the fundamentals because, again, that's always going to be the key driver. Never just focus solely on technicals. I mean, you can maybe if you're day trading, but otherwise you should always be paying attention to the fundamental picture as well. Anyway, these are the key levels. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did want to drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.